Welcome you all to this pictoblox bootcamp session of real-time face reduction that I did through my Python programming. So whenever you're going to solve a problem, we will have a sequence of events that we have to take in account for doing so. So suppose if I'm going to do a face reduction, now I have to plan in which way I'm going to do the face reduction. Then I have to turn on my camera, I have to detect the face and make my Toby say the facial expression if that is my problem and if it's going to be solved. Now, how am I going to do that? I'm going to first create an instance for my face reduction class. Like in C and C++, like in Java and C++, where you have a class and an object inheritance. Like similarly, here face reduction is a class and we are creating an instance for the class and it is called as FD. Okay. So now we have created an FD, which is an object for the face reduction class. With this object, we are going to retrieve all the methods that is available for us to work on your facial expressions. So now fd.video on. Now we have started the camera on. Okay. And fd.enable box. Can you see a small box that is being shown on my face, around my face? And this is called as the bounding blocks. And this bounding blocks should be enabled to detect the facial expression of my face. And FD set threshold to 0.4. And this value of threshold can be anywhere between 0.1 to 0.9. And what does this threshold value tells you? That it gives it with the confidence level of the face reduction. It tells you how confident is the system in detecting your facial expressions, and only then it will give you an output. Otherwise, it will say there no face is detected. Okay, so turning on the computer, turning on the camera is over. Detecting the face. Now we are going to do. How should I detect the face? It should be a on the spot. It should be a process that is taking place for a small amount of time, or it is a continuous process. According to me, face reduction will be a continuous process where it has been done through a forever loop. How do you make a forever loop? We will of course use a while loop that runs continuously. Okay. Then we are going to now analyze our camera, the data that we are retrieving from our camera. If the number of people or the number of faces that is detected by your camera is more than 0, then we are asking our Toby to say the facial expression of the person. The fd dot expression gives the facial expression of my face. Otherwise, Toby must say no face detected. Okay. So when I'm speaking to you, Toby is giving me that my facial expression is angry. Oh my God. Now let me change my facial expression to some other way. Yes. Shall we try? My system is taking a bit longer because it is running too many apps at the back. So he's taking a little more time to detect my face. I think I'm very close to the camera now. At last he found my face. Good. So thank you for attending my session.